Hello everyone, my name is Honglu Zhou. I'm very glad to present our work, Compositional Reasoning of Group Activity in Videos with Keypoint Only modality. The task we focus on is group activity recognition. Group activity recognition detects activity collectively performed by a group of actors in a short video clip. The task requires a compositional understanding of the scene entities and the relational reasoning between them. First, because of the crowded scene, it is challenging to learn meaningful representations over the entire scene. The final activity label depends on a compositional understanding of these entities. Second, group activity recognition benefits from relational reasoning to understand the relative importance of entities and their interactions. For example, in a volleyball game, persons around the ball performing the jumping action are more important than others standing in the scene. Majority of the prior methods rely on the RGB modality, which suffers from scene biases with privacy and ethical concerns. In this paper, we present a composer that uses keypoint-only modality and addresses compositional learning of entities in the video and relational reasoning about these entities. We approach group activity recognition by modeling a video as tokens that represent the multiscale semantic concepts in the video, which includes keypoint, person, person-to-person interaction, person group, object if present, for example, the volleyball, and the clip. Compared to the prior works, we consider more fine-grained scene entities that are grouped into 4 scales. By combining the scales together with Multiscale Transformer, Composer provides attention-based reasoning over tokens at each scale. Most importantly, Composer learns consistent multiscale representations, which boost the performance. This is achieved by contrastive clustering assignments of clips. Intuitively, a model can recognize the group activity using representations of entities at just one particular scale. Therefore, we consider representations of the clip token learned across scales as representations of different views of the clip. Such perspective allows us to cluster clip representations learned at all scales, while enforcing consistency between cluster assignments produced from different scales of the same clip. Contrastive clustering assignments enhance our intermediate representations and the overall performance. Finally, we use auxiliary prediction at each scale and data augmentations like actor dropout to aid training. These techniques are tailored to the keypoint signals and can benefit other tasks. To support the keypoint-only setup, we first compare models using either RGB or the keypoint modality. In the Olympic split of the volleyball dataset, the training and the testing videos are splitted in a way that the testing videos largely differ from the training videos in terms of the scene background. The keypoint-only setup generalizes better, and ours achieves 5.4% improvement on the volleyball Olympic split. Comparing Composer with methods that also use only keypoints, Composer has the best performance and achieves a new highest record. Overall, Composer outperforms the SOTA methods that use a single modality and performs favorably compared with methods that exploit multiple expensive modalities. By examining the multiscale attention matrices, Composer can produce interpretable results. Composer is able to attend to relevant information across different scales. Composer can make correct predictions even when the input keypoints are partially noisy due to occlusion. This is because Composer implicitly learns the human motion patterns from the keypoint features to handle partial occlusions. For future work, possible directions include expanding our methods to more complex scenarios such as crowd understanding, and exploring effective multimodal fusion methods in order to use additional modalities like RGB, but without suffering from scene biases. Our code, data, and trained models were released. Thank you for listening.